So I'm taking a little bit of a break from going out and showing you the little white churches and all the little churches on the back roads that have the cemeteries. It's been really muggy, humid, and it's been raining a lot. So a lot of these churches are quite far away, and I know as soon as I get there it's going to start pouring down rain. But there's also a couple chores that I want to do around here at the campground, and one of them is right behind me, these steps. I'm trying to redo, and I want to flip this camera around and I want to show you what I'm trying to do. So as you can see, a couple days ago I scraped these steps down, and I still have to take the solar lights off in order to repaint them. The problem is, once again, the weather. The weather is just not cooperating. So as you can see, I also purchased these no-skid pads, treads that also have a little reflective area on them. I did have them on there before, and they really do work. And they usually last about a year, but once I'm done painting, I will put these on each step, and there's 10 of them that I will be putting on. So let me show you this pole that I got. This thing is amazing. It will reach all the way to the top, to the point where I don't have to use a ladder again, except when I have to get on my roof. So let me show you this. I will be able to reach it all the way to the top and not have to get on my ladder. And you know what? That's a good thing. See, look, I can get all the way up here. This is just awesome. I can get all the way up here. This is great. What a true investment. Of course, it's Amazon, but that's about it. I wanted to show you, and I'm looking forward to using it in the fall, or when it gets really dirty again, especially getting all the black streaks off and everything. But I just wanted you to see, got it on Amazon, and I really appreciate you watching. So if you enjoy videos like this, I really wish you'd give me some feedback down below. Thank you for watching. Remember, stay encouraged, and always to be continued.